Good morning. Okay, introduction muna tayo ha. Okay, my name is Captain Juvie Espinilla. I live at Taytay, Rizal. I'm 40. I graduated at PhilScience way back 1997. I started my career at Scanphil. And as a deck cadet, same like you, I've been a ratings for almost 11 years. And I become an officer way back 2011. I passed the board examinations 2011. I've been a third officer for almost 6 months. Afterwards, I've been promoted as a second officer. 2015, I took my board examination for management level. Luckily, I passed. And 2017, binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na maging chief officer. Then, 2019 is my luckiest year. Okay, I've been promoted as a master mariner. Anyway, every year is a blessed year. No? We've always been thankful and grateful sa lahat ng mga bagay na binibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. No?
3 days later.
Okay, these are the actions to be taken after leaving the ship. As I told you yesterday, gentlemen, leaving our vessel, in worst case scenario, is the last resort.
Galit ka ba?
Kasi, the best lifeboat is our own ship. Do not leave our ship or your ship until your ship won't leave you. Because this is the best lifeboat. Andyan lahat. Therefore, if we need to abandon our vessel, so be it. But, hanggat maaari, do not enter to the water sa napag-usapan natin kahapon as we discuss. Kasi, if we enter to the water, you are already in the most dangerous situation. Pwede kang mag-hypothermia. Pwede kang, there will be a possible of attack of big fish or any marine mammals. Andyan ang shark, etc., jellyfish, yung mga malalaking isda. They will be possible to attack you. Therefore, dehydration, worst case scenario, drowning, and death. So, as I've said, as we discussed yesterday, leaving our ship is the last resort. If we need to do, so be it. Pero, hanggat maaari, do not enter to the water. Now, if we need to enter to the water, we need to abandon our vessel, we need to abandon our ship, there is a procedure. Okay? As we discussed yesterday, pero refresher na lang yun kasi sabitin ninyo, they already discussed. Okay? We need to check the surface of the water first for any debris, kung free ba to sa debris or any to avoid any casualty or injury. Ano pa? We will jump in appropriate position and to the lowest point of the vessel.